Hello guys, Mr.kooraft is back after a long time. Marvel Jesus is the hottest topic recently. Yeah, he is back. Deadpool and Wolverine movie has been released. Did everyone watch it? If you haven't seen it yet, just watch it twice. I highly recommend it. Therefore, today I will be making a model of Deadpool and Wolverine. So without further ado, let's get started. Before that, don't forget to subscribe and like. About 6 months ago, I purchased an Elegoo Saturn 3 Ultra, and it's a great machine. Recently, Elegoo released the new Mars 5. I regretted not waiting a little longer. Anyway, the Elegoo company's prints are very good and highly recommend you. Now that we are ready, let's paint. The most difficult thing about character painting is facial painting. As a result of failing or practicing countless times, I have developed my own routine. I will briefly introduce it here. First, apply the primer and then apply the basic background color of the face. Express skin texture using matte varnish and splatter tip. After expressing pores and sebum with a transparent brown, use yellow wash, blue wash, red wash, and lightly spray alcohol to break down the wash particle to express the blood vessels and complexion of the skin. Lastly, add a little highlight for natural skin, and it's done. Now that the most difficult painting is over, let's paint the remaining parts one by one in a lighter mood. As you all know, Wolverine's symbolic colors are yellow and blue, right? Actually, I was quite worried about this. I didn't want it to look like a cheek if I just used yellow, and I didn't want it to look old-fashioned if it was too dark. So I made several versions of yellow and I tested them before settling on the current color. What do you think? Actually, I don't like it because it's a little closer to orange than I expected. But I think it expresses the feel of the letter well. So I'm satisfied with it as is. Anyway, I've finished the painting Wolverine, so let's change the mood before painting today's main character, Deadpool. Drop the beat, let's get it.
Cypher.
Whew, let me catch my breath. This time, I will briefly show you the routine I use when painting rocks. Let's get to it. First, paint the entire area with a darker gray for contrast, and simply express the highlights with a darker brown. As you can see in this photo, can you see that? So many sand particles are tightly packed together. So I use the splatter tip to express the overall texture in light gray, light brown, darker brown, and dark gray. And then use a dry brush technique to express highlights and finish it with a black wash. How about that? Not bad, right? Let's continue painting. As an aside, my wife strangely kept trying to steal my fire hydrant. So I asked my wife why, and she said, I don't know why, but I keep getting drawn to that fire hydrant. I think she probably has a fire hydrant fetish. Yeah, anyway, it was something new. Back to the point. What is this? Transmission tower? Reinforced structure? But anyway, I'm going to paint this ugly thing. So I don't know what it is, but I'm sure it's iron. So let's paint it to create a rust iron effect. I have been painting rusty iron with the washes and various color combinations. But this time I used the newly purchased Vallejo special effect paint. I will try painting it. This is my first time using it, so I don't know if it will work well. How does it look? After all, something's different when you spend the money. Actually, I haven't been able to upload any videos since I have to move house. There was no one waiting for me, but Mr.kooraft came back anyway. It's okay. If you enjoyed my video, please subscribe, like, and leave comments with your opinions. And now I have to go make another new fire hydrant for her. That's right. Well, I'll be back next time.